Hello, friends. 2 cups of this got all the bad stuffs from my body, waste, bad fats, toxins, improved my digestion, but plus leave my body at utmost healthy level. So I'll share with you more benefits, but very quickly, the first thing you need is 2 oranges. Yeah, oranges help to promote fast food breakdown in your system by improving digestion and having you break down solid food stored up in your system, causing bloated big tummy, slowing your system. Like, this is so good. A glass of orange juice, you already know how that will help you relieve you of your constipation instantly. That is how strong orange juice is, and adding it in here makes this recipe just so powerful. Yeah. So what you need is 2 oranges. They contain so many vitamins and minerals for utmost health, like vitamin C, so many minerals. Yeah, so you need 2 oranges. You want to slice up your orange, peel the orange. My camera went off, so you could not see when I was, yeah. So you want to peel and slice up the oranges, and yeah. So this is it. The first ingredient. The second is ginger. I use a lot of ginger because this is so thermogenic. It heats up your system to burn fat real fast. Yeah, this is so good at stimulating your system, your nerves, your organs. Like, it heats up your system to burn fat so well because it has anti-inflammatory properties, and so any gases in your system, sodium, salts, and the rest, this helps to flush and regulate your system for you. That way you flush everything all out and get your body all nice and in shape, plus very healthy. So this is your thumb size of ginger. You want to slice up into little sizes. So yeah, this is it. A big thumb size of ginger, just like my thumb. The next is a green leafy vegetable. So if you don't have spinach, you can substitute with cabbage, a cup of cabbage. So if you don't have a cup of spinach at home, you can slice up cabbage and have it in a cup. So these are substitutes. They help to thoroughly to give your tummy a thorough cleanse. These two are very powerful. Like, if you want to cleanse your tummy, have your everything, any bad thing out of your tummy, cabbage and or spinach, they do a good job at that. Yeah. So this is it. The next thing I add is citric acid from lemon. So lemons contain a lot of citric acid, and I'll be using 2 ingredients with high amounts of citric acid here. So the first is lemon. Lemon contains high amounts of citric acid, which helps to prevent fat accumulation in your system, as well as helping you break down hardened food stored up, hardened fats in your tummy, and it helps you break down fat, and you easily pee pee everything, inhale it out, poo poo all the waste, fat waste in your system, and this is so good. So you want to get your one lemon, peel and slice up the lemon like so. Take out the seeds, you don't need the seeds. Yeah. So this is the lemon, and what I do is I add in some lime as well. So lime and lemons, they have a lot of citric acid, and the goal here is to get that citric acid to break down the hardened fats in your system that you consume from all the bad cholesterols you consume that are in your system, causing so many health issues like fatty liver, even belly fat gain and weight gain are due to bad cholesterols in your system, bad fats. So this will help you break down everything and flush, and you get your body all nice and in shape. So you squeeze out the juice from your one lime, and now you want to follow the steps carefully. You want to put your spinach or cabbage, if you're using cabbage, a cup of spinach or a cup of cabbage in your blender. Add in the 2 oranges you sliced. Add in the thumb size of ginger. Add in the one sliced lemon, and then you add in 2 cups of water. Yeah, you're boiling this with you're blending this rather. You're blending with 2 cups of water. Yeah, so add in 2 cups of water, and you're good. So blend this till everything is all nice and smooth. I love this blender. It blends my smoothies so well. Like you, it's just like ice cream you're drinking. You don't feel any like raw fish. So nice. So you blend till everything is all nice and smooth, and voila, this is it. Look at the consistency. So yummy. You get to put in nutrients into your system, cleanse your tummy, flush every bad stuff out of your tummy, and get your body all nice and in shape with just these 2 cups. So my camera went off, but what I did is I added this juice into these 2 cups. My camera suddenly went off, and trust me, when you do this, you will love your tummy. Your belly fat will be all gone. Like this, that fake belly fat you have is due to it's just a fake bloated big tummy. So having this to cleanse your tummy and help you burn fat will have your tummy all nice, and you have your body in shape. Plus this will load in a lot of nutrients into your system for utmost health. This is so good. Yeah, so go ahead and drink a cup of this. Plus make sure you're drinking your water. Like once you're doing this, make sure you drink lots and lots of water alongside, because this is a full body thorough cleanse, and water has to do a lot with that. So drink lots and lots of water alongside doing this recipe. You have to drink the cup early in the morning on an empty tummy, the other last thing at bedtime. I always do it at bedtime, so in the evening, so I drink one at bedtime, the remaining the next day in the morning. That is how you do to get the best results. So while you're drinking the second glass in the morning, your tummy is actually empty. You drank one in the evening, the next in the morning. That is how you, this is so good. Yeah, it will. If you face difficulties pooping, you are constipated and you don't know how to poop, just drink this and flush everything all out. It is equally very yummy, will help you burn your fat. Plus this is not just to help you burn fat, and it will leave nutrients into your skin, flush those toxins out, making your skin look ugly. It will flush out all the toxins from your system, making your skin look ugly, causing your skin not to look beautiful and have your skin look so cute. Because if you have ugly skin, that is because your skin is dirty from the inside. So cleansing your system like with a recipe like this leaves your skin so beautiful as well from the inside. I have shared so many recipes like this to help for so long, and to cleanse your system from the inside, so it reveals a much more beautiful looking skin externally, plus burn your fat for you and leave your body all healthy and nice. So share this recipe with your family and friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.